Okay, next we have golden yellow, which would be, it looks like a little bit more orange than the goldenrod of a Qualtex, which we have right here. So this here is the Decomex, and this is the Qualtex goldenrod. Man, I remember when they introduced the goldenrods and all those colors, the what became known as the entertainers assortment. Oh, the options, the vibrancy. It was so much fun. I mean, I remember getting together with some balloon friends of mine at a conference, and we were just having so much fun playing. It's like, ooh, now we can do this. Ooh, this bird looks like this now. Ooh, this. We're just having so much fun. So here is the golden yellow. Okay, not goldenrod at all. Maybe a tangerine is what I would give it more of a look for. Yeah, I mean that's so here's the orange, and there's their golden yellow. And I gotta say, I liked the this drop down in painting, especially with like the miniature painting that I do some of. And don't worry, you're probably never going to see any videos on that because I'm not good, but I enjoy it. It's relaxing. There's something called paint triads where you'll have a base layer and then one that's a little bit darker and a little bit one lighter. And I'm sure it's in other forms of painting also. But I am really curious to see what the yellow looks like as a part of that triad because with flowers, I think could be really nice. Um, yeah, again, it's just it twists so smoothly. I have not found again, I've only blown up 15 or whatever these balloons so far, but I've not found any defects in the balloons as excess latex, which I like. It it definitely makes me feel a little bit better about this brand. I was definitely a little worried about the price point. Sometimes, well, what's the saying? If it's too good to be true, it probably is, or you get what you paid for. I mean, to give you an idea, with the 25 bags of Decomex that I bought, including all the with the other two from the other brand that we'll be showing later, I want to say my price total was like 130, which I was really impressed with. Again, and about 550 a bag, give or take about 30 cents. But so golden yellow winner,